Hello students, welcome back to my channel Commerce Tute, your flight to success. And yes, today we are going to solve the second part of question number 1 from the subject secretarial practice, 12th commerce obviously, chapter number 4, that is issue of debentures. आज जो हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं वो सॉल्व करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1F से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1J. So that we will understand this multiple type questions and we will be very confident to solve this type of questions very easily. ठीक है. On that good note, children, those who are new to my channel, kindly like, subscribe and share so that it will be useful to everybody and everyone. ठीक है. So let's begin, children, without delaying much. Question number 1F is complete the sentences. Okay. First one. A legal instrument conveying the assets of a company to the debenture trustees is called dash. Yes, you can see the answer on the screen, children. It is debenture trust deed. उस instrument को हम क्या कहते हैं? हम उसको debenture trust deed कहते हैं. वो legally होता है. Okay, as far as we have already understood the meaning of debentures in maybe in few chapters before also, तो ये बहुत clear है और पहले जो हमने objectives tackle किए हैं शायद उनमें भी ये बहुत बारी आ चुका है. There are some still the complete the sentences में जो है वो already हमने किए हुए हैं in the above objectives, but never the mind, we will go on with the exercise so that it will help us to remember. ठीक है. So second one, to protect the interest of debenture holders, a company appoints, yes, the answer is debenture trustees. ठीक है. Third, on receipt of application and money, the procedure for allotment of debentures should be completed within, yes, 60 days, children. It is 60 days. Fourth, authority to create charge on company's asset is with the board of directors. Board of directors के पास ही वो authority होता है जो वो create कर सकते हैं charge on the company assets. ठीक है. Then fifth, secured debentures should be redeemed within 10 years from the date of its issue. So यहाँ पर आपको याद रखना है 10 years from the date of its issue. Sixth, to stop a company from incurring further liabilities, the debenture trustee can approach, yes, you can see on the screen, children, it is NCLT. I hope you are aware about what do you mean by NCLT, children, and that is the meaning. I'm going to say the full form is, I'll just write it down the full form as well. It is National Company Law Tribunal. Okay, that is the full form of NCLT, children. So now I hope you have understood the full form of NCLT, that is National Company Law Tribunal. ठीक है. So this is the sixth one, children. Let us go to the seventh one. Okay, let us go and focus on the seventh one now. A company which issues prospectus or invites more than 500 persons to subscribe for its debentures has to appoint, yes, you can see that right, debenture trustees. 500 से ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं जो सब्सक्राइब करते हैं डिवेंचर्स को, तो तब क्या करती है कंपनी? इट अपॉइंट्स डिवेंचर ट्रस्टीज हु विल एक्ट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द कंपनी. ठीक है. एट्थ one, return on investment on debenture is called as definitely debenture interest. ठीक है. Ninth, for public issue of debentures of 100 crores, minimum subscription should be 75% of the issue. ठीक है. And 10th point, for public issue or rights issue of convertible debentures, as per SEBI, a company must obtain credit rating. ठीक है. तो ये बहुत ही क्लियर है कि एज पर द सेबी गाइडलाइंस क्या करना है, जो भी अगर आप पब्लिक इशू करते हो, राइट्स इशू करते हो ऑफ कन्वर्टेबल डिवेंचर्स, देन यू मस्ट ऑब्टेन अ क्रेडिट रेटिंग फ्रॉम अ क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसी. ठीक है. सो दिस वाज अबाउट F part, children. Let us go to the G part now. G part is also very simple and you can see the answers on screen. आपको wherever I have shown you the boxes with answers, वहाँ पर blank होगा and the answers will be given below in the brackets. You have to choose the right one and fix it there. ठीक है. In case of this particular question. Let's first read the question. Select the correct option from the bracket. ठीक है. A, there are two groups, group A and group B. Now let us see group A. The first one, debenture trust, is definitely the answer is trust deed. B is I mean to say they have given here charge on the asset. Yes, it is secured debentures. Register of debentures, names of the debenture holders. Debenture certificate issued within 6 months of allotment. No voting rights for whom? For debenture holders. So this is how you are supposed to write, and I have already told you children कि ये जो ज़्यादा I mean to say this types of objective type of questions है, ये आपको जो 20 marks का internal exam होगा उसमें भी पूछा जा सकता है. So you should be ready to adapt these types of or maybe in the position to solve these types of questions as well. ठीक है. So this is about the G part, children. Let us go to the H part, which is very very important. One sentence में आपको लिखना है. चलो, we'll start with answer in one sentence. Who are debenture holders? Definitely debenture holders are the creditors of the company as they provide loans to the company and receive debenture certificate as a evidence. So ये आप लिख सकते हो. आप even ये भी लिख सकते हो कि debenture holders are the owners of debentures of a particular company. But I think this is apt when a particular question like who are debenture holders are asked. ठीक है. Question number 2 है, what do debenture holders receive as return on investment? As I have already spoken above also, answer is debenture interest. ठीक है. The third one, whom does the company appoint to protect the interest of debenture holders? Definitely it is debenture trustees. Within what period should secured debentures be redeemed? Students have, I hope you are just going in the flashback जहाँ पर ये सारी चीजें हमने already discuss करी हुई है in the solving of the above exercise only, that is in another question. ठीक है. So the answer is within a period of 10 years from the date of issue. ठीक है. Then the fifth one, name the document which is an agreement between the debenture trustee and the company, and that document, children, is debenture trust deed. Okay. Okay, next, who has the authority to create charge on the assets of the company? Definitely board of directors. Seventh one, name the meeting in which approval for increasing the borrowing powers of board of directors is passed. Yes, it is EGM, children. The type of meeting is called extraordinary general meeting. Now students, यहाँ पर मैंने आपको one line में ये आंसर, आपको मेन आंसर मैंने यहाँ पर दिया है. But when you are writing the answer, definitely you can write like the meeting for this type of question. For seventh one आप लिख सकते हो, the meeting in which approval for increasing the borrowing powers of board of director is passed is called as is extraordinary general meeting. So you have to complete the sentence like this when you write the answer. ठीक है. Then within what period, eighth one, within what period should the debenture certificate be issued? The debenture certificate should be issued within 6 months from the date of allotment of debentures. This is how you're supposed to write the answer. But for your short memory, for your reference, this is the main answer, that is within 6 months from the date of allotment of debentures. ठीक है. Then, what is the minimum subscription that a company must collect for an issue of debentures of rupees 100 crores? Yes, you can see it right, 75% of the issue. तो इसको भी हम ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. The minimum subscription that a company must collect for an issue of debentures of 100 crores is 75% of the issue. Then the 10th one is, when should a company appoint a credit rating agency? इसका सवाल भी previous question में हमने देखा था students, but still I will tell you, the company can appoint a credit rating agency when companies are making public issues or rights issues of convertible debentures as per the SEBI guidelines. This is how you are supposed to write the answer. And students, ये जो highlighted मैंने जो main answer आपको दिए हैं, ये अगर आपके पूरे answer में होगा, then definitely you will get full 1 mark. Okay, so now you can understand that grabbing those 1 mark question is so easy, and which will lead you to gathering, I would say, or getting full marks in that particular set of questions. Okay, now let us go to the I part of it, children. It's very very important. करेक्ट द अंडरलाइंड वर्ड एंड रीराइट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस। आपको जो भी अंडरलाइन किया गया है वो गलत है, उसको रिप्लेस करना है राइट के साथ, एंड यू हैव टू रीराइट द एंटायर स्टेटमेंट इन द एग्जाम एज वेल। ठीक है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ आई एम गोइंग टू से द फर्स्ट वन। The details of debenture holders are entered in register of members. No, it's wrong. It is entered in register of debenture holders. Second, secured debentures must be redeemed within 15 years from the date of its issue. No, it's not 15 years children. It is 10 years. तो आपको यहाँ 10 years करके ये पूरा statement फिर से लिखना है. ठीक है? Then the third point, a company issuing irredeemable debentures must create a charge on assets of the company. No, it's not irredeemable children, it is secured debentures. Here is the answer. Fourth, return on investment on debentures is dividend. Wrong, it's not dividend children, it is debenture interest. Debentures पर हमेशा हमको interest ही मिलता है. Fifth one, डिबेंचर ट्रस्ट इज रिड्रेस द ग्रीवेंस ऑफ शेयर होल्डर्स. नो, शेयर होल्डर्स यहाँ आ ही नहीं सकते, हम डिबेंचर्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर आंसर होगा डिबेंचर होल्डर्स. ठीक है. सिक्स्थ वन, डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट्स आर इशूड विद इन 3 months ऑफ द अलॉटमेंट ऑफ डिबेंचर्स. नो, इट्स नॉट 3 months children, it is 6 months. So you have to replace 3 months with 6 months and write the entire statement again. Now why I am telling you to write the entire statement again and again children, क्योंकि कभी कभार जब हम ये अंडरलाइन वाला जो एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करते हैं तो वी इन जल्दबाजी आप बोल सकते हो, या बहुत ही क्विकली यू आर राइटिंग द आंसर्स, इन दैट point of time you may forget, you just write answer. तो ऐसा ना हो, read the question properly. That's what I always tell to all my children कि ये जो I वाला जो है, ये जो क्वेश्चन है, करेक्ट द अंडरलाइन वर्ड एंड री राइट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस, ये आपको डेफिनेटली पढ़ना है. री राइट का मतलब होता है आपको ये पूरा स्टेटमेंट फिर से लिखना है. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे 3 months इज रॉन्ग, इट्स द राइट आंसर इज 6 months. ठीक है. सेवेंथ वन, procedure for allotment of debenture should be completed within 90 days from the date of receipt of applications. No, it's not 90 days children, you can see it's 70 days. Okay. Eighth one, to rate its debentures a company appoints underwriters. बिल्कुल भी नहीं, we are not talking about shares here to tell you about underwriters. यहाँ पर डिबेंचर्स की बात हो रही है, यहाँ पे डिबेंचर्स रेट करने की बात हो रही है, तो यहाँ पर एजेंसी करती है और उस एजेंसी को हम कहते हैं क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसी. ठीक है. आई होप दिस एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो गॉट वेरी सिंपल टू यू चिल्ड्रन. सो लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट, दैट इज J, arrange in proper order. Students, now arrange in proper order में आपको ABC दिया जाता है which is in a jumbled position. आपको ये सीधे से लिखना है. Here I have shown you the numbers, but in the exam ABC आपको देते हैं वो लोग, जो फर्स्ट आता है वो फर्स्ट पे लिखना है, सेकेंड आता है उसको सेकेंड पे लिखना है. Just tell you how. For example, in this case, see, arrange in proper order. The first one, obtain credit rating, entry in register of debentures, receive application with money. Definitely पहला हमारा है obtain credit rating, so you have to write obtain credit rating first. Second, you will write receive application with money, क्योंकि उसके बाद पैसे लिया जाता है एप्लीकेशन की. और थर्ड उस रजिस्ट्रेशन किया जाता है, that is entry in the register of debentures. जो सीक्वेंस करेक्ट है वो है 1, 2 and 3. ये तीनों चीजें आपको साइमल्टेनियसली लिखना है. ठीक है. सेकेंड जम्बल्ड वे में जो दिया है वो है इशू ऑफ डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट, इशू प्रोस्पेक्टस, ओपन बैंक अकाउंट. डेफिनेटली चिल्ड्रन सबसे पहले हम प्रोस्पेक्टस इशू करते हैं, सो प्रोस्पेक्टस आएगा नंबर 1 पे. उसके बाद हम बैंक अकाउंट ओपन करते हैं, तो बैंक अकाउंट आएगा नंबर 2 पे. उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं, डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट इशू करते हैं, सो दैट्स वाई थर्ड नंबर पे आएगा इशू डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट. तो आपको भी ऐसे ही लिखना है. अगर ये जम्बल्ड पोजीशन है तो राइट पोजीशन आपको लिखना होगा 1 इशू प्रोस्पेक्टस, 2 ओपन बैंक अकाउंट एंड 3 इशू डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट. सो व्हाट विल हैपन चिल्ड्रन, आपको एक सीक्वेंस, करेक्ट सीक्वेंस मिल जाएगा एंड यू विल ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी करेक्टली. ठीक है. देन कम्स द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ इट चिल्ड्रन. यहाँ पर जम्बल्ड पोजीशन में जो दिया गया है वो है hold board meetings for allotment, issue debenture certificate, receive application with money. The right answer पहले होता है receive application with money 1, then hold board meeting for allotment, that is 2, and then comes issue debenture. लास्ट में आता है issue debenture certificate, that is number 3. तो यहाँ पे करेक्ट सीक्वेंस है receive application with money, hold board meeting for allotment, and third one is issue debenture certificate. तो ये पूरा सीक्वेंस स्टूडेंट्स आपको आपके पेपर पर लिखना है, ठीक है. सो ऑब्वियसली नाउ आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. एंड स्टूडेंट्स ये तभी ही परफेक्टली पता होगा जब आप सब सारे थिंग्स यू विल गो थ्रू द टॉपिक्स क्लियरली, ठीक है. सो जे पार्ट भी हमारा हो चुका है स्टूडेंट्स. सो दिस वाज द वीडियो विच वाज पार्ट 2 ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. I hope students ki this video will definitely help you to tackle the objective type questions and will be very informative and useful for you, and a bit of revision also will be done definitely. Okay, so that's it children in this video. If the video is really useful to you, kindly like, subscribe and share, and very soon we will come with more videos like this children. On that very good note, thank you so much students. Thank you.